Hey guys, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. Guys, I have not much of a haul, but a haul for you guys. Few things that I'm going to be using in my outdoor kitchen that I am so proud of. This right here is a barbecue sauce bottle. I got that a few years ago from Burlington. And I think it was either $1.99 or $3.99, and I can't see the price right now. I also picked up this here. I think I got this from the thrift store. And what I will use this for, like if you were setting up a bar like for tacos or just a brunch, and you have like different type of spreads or condiments that you have to put on your stuff. So that's what I would use that for. Olive oil. I think I've shown you guys this before. Got this here from the thrift store, and that was $1.99. Is a bottle opener. What is a bar without a bottle opener? And I had this for like a few years now. I think I was gearing up for this bar, like this whole bar situation. This right here, I do cook out here. There's a flat top that I do make breakfast out here. So this will be great for to mix the pancake in and to pour, no spills. I think that was $5.99 from Ross. Another for the beautiful deck, hot chocolate. Yes, girl. On a cold nights, yes, yes. Let's talk about it. So this was from Ross, and I think that was $9.99. Also, this I think I picked it up from Aldi's. I think this up this week, and that was like $2.99. Hot cocoa again, and we're going to be making some out here. My country is known for real cocoa, so I will make you some. So this is a tea. I think it's like a breakfast blend. Can't see it, but I think I paid like $3.99 for that. These are some figs. Yeah, that's what I'll put in the little Claire condiment holder, and I have two figs. Oh, figs are so good with some cheese and crackers. Yes, this is for salmon. It's a seasoning. It's like a smoky seasoning, and I picked this up from Home Goods. This right here, it is good for your noodles. It's more of an Indian flair with food, and it's from the masala brand. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, that I could share all of these beauties with you. This piece here, I picked this up from Michael's from a grab bag. This iron metal piece, that was from Hobby Lobby for $2.99. But the wooden piece, I got it out of a grab bag, and I think I have like 3 of them. And I want to use this in my space, and you're going to see how I use it momentarily. So fit in. And look at her. Look how pretty she look. Oh yeah, I'm in a 6 weeks collab. So these right here, I picked these up from Five Below, and it's a Spritzer bottle. But I could think about something else that I could do with this. Yeah, I could think about something. And I bought 3 of them from Five Below. Here are some books. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and yes, I just love pictures. Yes, pictures with food in it, and like you see, it has an array of different types of food, grilling food, and look at all of that lusciousness. It even have grilled corn. It has prime rib, asparagus. Like, listen, she is gonna be cooking. She love her little kitchen. Yes, I am so loving it, and I could do anything out here. And like, guys, my actual kitchen is just a couple yards away from here, so it's not stopping me from doing what I gotta do. So here is one of the books that I got from the Dollar Tree. Can't remember how many pages, but loads of food. Look at this right here. This is their seafood book, and it gives you the index. One of the book went flying. Look at that shrimp. Look at that shrimp dish. Yes. What is yeah, look, some scallops. Listen, Listen, chicken. No, there's no chicken there. There's that was salmon. This, oh yeah, look at those mussels. Yes, 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 yes. So for $1, you cannot go wrong. Then this one here, I will use this one for brunch. Look at the goodness in here. Yes, look at all of that goodness. I'm such a bad commentator. This look like overnight oats. This looks like a sandwich on brioche bun. That's another shrimp dish. I just think it's an array of things in there that you could have some fun with. This is a pineapple. I thrifted this a while back because I'm outdoors doing a theme. That's like the only way I would think about putting a pineapple in my house is like outdoors. So here is my one and only pineapple, I think. Here is a veggie slicer, and I got this from Ross as a 7-piece set. And that will be great when I have to do fried rice, hibachi style on the flat top. This will be perfect. Yes. And I think that was $8.99. And this piece here, I got it from Walmart for $2.99, and it's plastic. And if it drop, I'm not expecting it, stuff to shatter. So this is perfect. This is a wine spout. Open this up, you stick your bottle in there, and you could also help seal the bottle when you're done. So this will be very helpful. I think I got that from Burlington many moons ago. We have some anchovies with, oh, think about this, anchovies with mussels and pasta. Oh Lord, I'm ready. Yes, we gonna have so much fun out here. And I say we because y'all are invited. Yeah, just come pull up a chair. This is different. This is white wine, and this is infused lemon oil and infused orange oil, I think. But I know they are infused. So right here is some kitchen towels that I purchased last year from Hobby Lobby, and it was $5.99, and I think I got it for 90%. I only end up getting, I think, one or two. This year I bought it this year from Walmart, and it stays zesty, and that's what it says on it, that it has two, and they were $5, and I wanted to blend it in with the black and white. So this right here is another kitchen towel, and momentarily I'll show you how I hung them up. And they were $5.99 each and 90% off. Good way to shop. So this is how I have them displayed on the cabinet out here. And I think they look cute. And then I have one on the other side of the island. And I think they all just look so cute. And right here I am showing you the island and how I have it set up with extra dishes, and as you see, you can see straight through. This book here was given to me by the lovely Miss Wani from Wani's house. And actually Wani gave me this book like 2-3 years ago. I'm finally opening up the book. Hey Wani girl, I like the book. Here it is, that it have lovely settings in the book. I mean, so perfect for my outdoor kitchen where I'm gonna be having so much fun. Look at the donuts, look at the color scheme. And I think it was so fitting. Look, there's macaroons, lovely brunch ideas. Look at this. Ooh, don't that look good? Those pancakes with raspberry on the top of it. That is, oh, I can't even see what this one is. Okay, lovely drink. Yes, we gonna be drinking out here. So I just love the book, and can't wait to make some meals out of here. That was a burger. This looked like a salad with avocado. That looked like an deviled eggs with bacon on the top, cookies. Lovely book. Lovely, lovely. And you will see the reason why I chose the book on Friday. Yes, I just love everything in here. And finally, I'm able to open it to display it because what goes so fitting with this place. Guys, if you absolutely love what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you guys. Please also share my video. Make sure you hit the notification twice. Bye bye.